Hello everyone, welcome back to Decoder. And today we will be learning what the components in Scratch are about, how to make our first Scratch project. So first let's talk about the components. So here you have all of the blocks and all of the blocks you'll use to make your games. And here you will have all your costumes that you can change. And then this is where you can change your sounds and add more sounds. And then over here, this is where you see all of your sprites and all of their positions and everything. So this sprite's name is Sprite 1. You can change that to cat, right? That sounds fine. So this is something you have to explain. So the X is like this, like the left to right. It's like the left to right, like where it is on the left to right. So if you make this 100, it's gonna be more to the right. And it's going to be a lot to the right. So it's going to go over there. And then if you make this minus, it will be over there. And then the Y is just the same thing, except it's this one. Except it's up and down. So you can make this 100 and it will be up. And then if you make this minus, it's going to be down. So basically minus means backwards, and then plus nothing means up. And then there's the size. You can change the size to anything. You can change it to 150. And then there's the direction. You can just point it and add your direction like that. And over here, this is the stage where you will see everything happen. And then in here, you can change the background of it. So now to start off with the coding, we will be making this, your first Scratch project. So we will first move the cat forward 5 steps, and then you will flip the cat so it will turn, and then it will land, stop where it was at first, and then it will play a sound like it was meow, and then it will move backward 5 steps again, and then it's gonna say, "Hello, I'm back." Okay, so to start with your code, you will always start with an event. So you would bring this out and drop it into the coding area. And then after that, you want the cat to move 5 steps forward. So that will be in the motion because you're moving it. And then if you want it to move 5 steps forward, you're gonna set it to 5. Okay? And then after that, you will flip the cat. So in this, you can go here, get the turn, and if you want it to turn fast, you can change it to a big number, like you can change it to 40, and then you can go here, and then 40 times 9 equals to 360, and 360 is one big flip.
Good job.
So we want us to do that so we can change it to 9. So then it'll just go like that. But if you want it slow, you can do 20, and then you can change this to 18 because 20 times 18 is 360.
Good job.
360 is a full flip. And after that, you can play sound meow. And so it will play the sound meow, and it'll like you'll hear a sound and it'll say meow. And then you will move backward 5 steps. So remember, backward is always minus. And then you will grab any of these blocks. You can grab this block or this block and type in, "Hello, I'm back." And then exclamation mark. Okay, so now you need to press the green flag so it will play. And make sure your volume's up so you can hear it. So that's what it will do. If you want to play it again, you just press the green flag again. So this was our first Scratch project. And in the end, so you will see that the cat moves forward 5 steps. This is it. and then you will flip the cat. This part is the part where it flips. After that, it will play the sound meow. So it played this meow sound, and then the cat moved backward 5 steps. So then, and then it said, "Hello, I'm back." So this was our project, and you can keep playing it again and again if you want to, just like that. So this is the end of our tutorial. And wasn't it fun? So next time we will go deeper into coding and making a little bit harder games than this.
Please like and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Bye!